So NAME was founded in 1973 by our founder, Julian. He had a belief that he wanted to recreate live sound at his home. He was a passionate engineer, but he was more passionate about music, and he really wanted to find a way to recreate that live sound that he hears at concerts in his home environment. So that's how really NAME evolved as a company, as our first start off. Since then, we've grown and grown and grown, and we continue to evolve. We've branched out into yachts and luxury cars, and in the coming years, we'll also have our own retail space with Focal powered by NAME. This is an area that we will dedicate for our own products, and it will allow us to show our products in the best possible light. Each amp and each preamp is hand built here in Salisbury. Each product has many bespoke parts to us which are handcrafted. So our products have a classic design. Many products come back to us after 30-40 years out in the field, and we're still servicing them now. It's great to see because obviously our customers are passionate about their units and about their products, and they love them. When I first joined in 2001, we were using Creo. It was a great package to use, but it was very complex for what we needed. And we made a change in about 2007 to SolidWorks. We found SolidWorks a lot more user-friendly. The packages available for us were great, and they suited what we needed in terms of our needs and development at that time. One of the main reasons for using SolidWorks was its flexibility and its usability. It was a lot less cumbersome than Creo, and we found that we could quickly change our designs and quickly evolve products much quicker using SolidWorks. So when designing our products, we obviously have key assembly times. And how products are assembled. We also employ SolidWorks Composer here. This is a great tool that we've really sort of implemented since our statement launch. This allows us to make design changes in CAD, which then are reflected in process instruction sheets directly onto the shop floor. Now, that can lead to better products because there's less ambiguity about changes, and anything that we roll out in a change in CAD is almost immediately reflected in a process instruction sheet change. So one of the great challenges that we face is obviously trying to fit everything inside a box. We have a finite space, and a lot of our components are rather large. We have large transformers because we believe transformers have great sound quality. So fitting large transformers in small boxes is a difficult challenge for us. So communication is vitally important to us. Communication between the mechanical team, the electrical team, and the production engineering team. SolidWorks allows us to do this in a variety of ways by direct feedback from the electronics team in terms of imported PCBs, the mechanical team, whether we can actually fit the PCBs into the space required, and also we can then show our production engineering team our design intent, and they can give us feedback on whether this is the best method for assembly and service. SolidWorks is a great help because it also allows people who are non-SolidWorks based to view our designs and comment on our designs, so we can export to eDrawings, complete assemblies, so our purchasing department can understand the components that are going to be needed in the development, and also anyone else in marketing can also have an idea of the form factor of the box and what it's going to look like. So SolidWorks is a great tool across the company that we can employ. So SolidWorks allows us to save time in a variety of ways. If we update designs, the design is reflected in the process instruction sheets almost immediately. Our drawings are also updated into our PDM system, which then has visibility to our QA team and also our purchasing team. So making a small design change would normally take a long time for it to filter throughout the rest of the company. But now, using SolidWorks, we can make a design change, and within a matter of days, the company knows about what our design intent. So we use flow simulation in a variety of ways to validate our designs before we even design a prototype. This is increasingly now important to us because timescales of projects have been squeezed. So designing a prototype, having a physical prototype, and it not pass a safety test is a costly mistake. So using flow simulation software, we can validate designs, we can change designs very quickly, and we can give direct feedback to the electronics guys of features that we would like to change within the design that hopefully will make sure that we pass our safety tests. For example, on the statement amp, one of the key design features is getting rid of the heat. It's a massive amp, a very powerful amp, and heat management is very important within that. And also, obviously, the sound quality. If our fans are turned on inside the product, it can be detrimental to the sound quality. So managing the heat in a product like the statement amp is vitally important. So using flow simulation, it allowed us to design the best possible product using natural convection.